You guys know that in my pest control business, I have not shied away from adoption of AI technology. And obviously within the last 24 hours, we just had the release of chatgpt 5 and everyone's all excited, of course, just another step closer to AGI. If you don't know what that is, this isn't the video that's going to be covering that. But what I wanted to address is, some of the realistic, very, very realistic concerns of AI. Because don't get me wrong, obviously you guys know I am a huge proponent of AI technology. But at the same time, we are being very, very irresponsible with AI. And when I say we, of course, I'm not talking about like me, my business. I'm saying us as a world, us as a society, us in America specifically. We have our politicians, not to get political or anything, calling a duck, ultimately calling the shots for what they are. We have politicians running the US currently who are wanting to put like a 5 to 10 year ban on any restriction of AI at all, which is just absolutely insane. At the rate we are going to see close to a third of the job market. Keep this in mind. This is not me just making up numbers. These are statistical facts. Look them up yourself. Close to a third of all jobs being completely erased and replaced by AI. And now what's the caveat or the comeback to this argument of, mass job replacement? Well, there's really only been two arguments ultimately. One of which is, what I consider a communist argument, which is, hey, we're going to put everybody on UBI, Universal Basic Income, which we all know always fails. And then the other argument that you hear from, a little bit more what I would consider the common sense side of the aisle is, some of these jobs are going to be displaced, but they are going to be replaced with much higher paying, better jobs. But there's a problem with that. The math doesn't math, because again, most of these jobs that are going to be being replaced first are high end, like white collar jobs. A lot of people are under the assumption it's just like lower end, entry level jobs like administrative assistants, which, let's be real, that's long gone. Have you heard anybody that's been hired as like a true administrative assistant? We're talking entry level, like minimum wage, $10 an hour type jobs. No, because either A, people are hiring people from overseas to do it for $3 to $7 an hour, or B, it is now being replaced with AI technology, obviously. So this is already beginning. If you don't believe me, just look at the recent job numbers. Again, you guys know that have been following the channel for a while, know where I stand, quote unquote, politically, but I call the shots evenly. But back to my point on how the math doesn't math, we all know that with AI agents, all it really takes is one person, one single individual to control dozens, if not hundreds of different agents. And almost every single one of these agents counted for one job. Not necessarily, obviously, you have different agents for different things, but let's just assume on the low end that one person can control 20 agents. And let's just say those 20 agents replace 3 jobs now. Do you see how the math doesn't math as you continue to do this company to city to state, and then on the country and worldwide level? And again, this is just in the white collar section. My friends in the blue collar section, you all better wake up. I hear so many people, because of course I'm in the pest control industry, I hear so many people that are pest control technicians, roofers, all walks and lines of trades and construction, who are under this assumption that, well, AI is going to come for us last if it ever does. And I hate to break it to you, they are already testing robotics that can roof a house better than a human. And again, don't take my word for any of this. Like, this is stuff that I have seen with my own eyes, done my own research on. I highly suggest you guys go do your own research as well. And we haven't even remotely got into what the effect is going to be from a national and worldwide security issue side of things. Like, no one is calling it hardly for what it is. I say this is more dangerous of a technology than the nuclear bomb, because Sam Altman, all these guys, the Anthropic CEO, also, he's been sounding dozens of alarms across every single network he can get on, saying that we need to slow down on AI because we are very, very close to this technology starting to train itself to the point where it is going to be smarter than any human alive. And what are we going to do when the AI starts to understand that it no longer needs us? Out of all the issues, that's the issue that should worry every single person the most. And again, am I like anti-AI? Obviously not. not. You know, as a business owner, I know the reality is like either adapt or die. The sooner you adapt, the bigger advantage you're going to have on the competition. But at the same time, I'm not naive enough to believe that this technology is not very dangerous if we don't get it under control. But I'm interested to hear what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know just your overall thoughts on AI. Let me know, are you kind of what some people consider like the boomer mindset of, oh, we don't need it at all, let's get rid of it all? Or are you somebody that thinks maybe I'm thinking too doom and gloom, and that, you know, oh, we just need to keep pushing forward because if we don't, then China will? That's another crazy thing that I hear. But like I said, I'm interested to know what you guys think down below. If you're new to me and have watched this far, welcome. My name is Griffin. I actually own a pest control business, specifically Preferred Pest Management in the Dallas, Texas area. And on my YouTube channel overall, I just document my entire business journey. I've been documenting this journey for about 10 years since I first got out of high school. And it's not like a pest control channel by any means. Like you guys can tell, we talk about AI, we talk about SEO, Google ads, anything and everything that goes into starting and growing a business from the ground up. So if any of that is of interest to you, or you think you could benefit from any of the content on this channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We try to do a live stream also once or twice a month on average, and we have over 1,000 videos now across this channel that are just, like I said, to help you guys speed up your process and save you lots of money and headaches as well. Speaking of AI, if you haven't seen one of our newest videos about the new agent mode on ChatGPT, I highly suggest you guys go watch it. It should be posted somewhere over here, maybe somewhere in one of these corners. Either way, go check that out, and I'll see you guys over there.